Hey, welcome back. It's Dr. Watts. Today is March 2nd, and today we're going to talk about leaky gut, okay, or as the medical textbooks call it, gut permeability. So first off, I'm going to explain what it is, and then we'll talk about what causes it and some of the things that can be a result of having leaky gut, okay? First off, leaky gut is talking about the intestinal tract here, okay? And you have cells in the intestines that have what are called tight junctions that keep the cells together so nothing can pass from the GI tract into the blood that shouldn't belong there. So when you have leaky gut, it's when you have these tight junctions that end up getting broken, and then pathogens and undigested food particles can then make their way into the blood where they shouldn't be, okay? And so as a result, you can develop all sorts of different immune responses and all sorts of different ailments from having leaky gut. But one of the big questions I get is, well, Doc, what causes it? And so there's a number of things. And so one of the things we talk about, or not just leaky gut, but also just good gut health in itself. One was antibiotics. Been on an antibiotic, well, guess what? That kills 100% of your good and bad bacteria in your gut. So you have to replenish that. And so ask yourself this: if I've been on an antibiotic, have I then gone on a probiotic or a prebiotic or eaten certain foods that's going to help promote healthy gut bacteria afterwards? Because the fact of the matter is, it can take up to 2 years to restore that gut bacteria. Another one, Splenda, other artificial sweeteners, that actually can kill up to 50% of your good healthy gut bacteria. Okay, so if you're going to avoid sugar and you're going to go to an alternative to sugar, please stick with stevia. Commercially raised chicken, beef, dairy, pork, daily stress. Another one is GMO crops. The active ingredient, a lot of the pesticides that are sprayed on there is glyphosate, which has been shown to actually cause tight junctions to break. Okay. You ask yourself this: do you ever have overwhelming food cravings? Well, if you answer yes, then you know that right out the gate you have a healthy imbalance of good to bad bacteria. Okay, bad bacteria craves sugars and starches and carbs. Good bacteria craves fibers and fruits and vegetables. Okay, the gut is extremely important. It's known as like the second brain, because you also create a lot of neurotransmitters. A lot of different stuff happens in the gut that's extremely important for the body. So if you have leaky gut, what can be a result of that? Okay, well, you ever have difficulty losing weight? Listen right up here, okay? We go down, a lot of them are inflammatory diseases, okay? Celiacs, ulcerative colitis, Crohn's, IBS. You can also have a lot of different metabolic diseases as a result of it, with high blood pressure, diabetes. You guys can read these all here, fatty liver. Some of the big ones that I see in my clinic as a result of leaky gut, aside from the inflammatory ones, are autoimmunity and thyroid and depression, okay? Also chronic pain, migraines. These are big telltale signs that you could possibly have something going on with your gut, and you could be suffering from leaky gut. It's not extremely difficult to get taken care of, but it's something that definitely needs to be addressed. So if you have any questions or concerns, or just want to know more about it, hit us up on Facebook, shoot me an email at health@drvaughnwatts.com, or give us a call, and we'll be happy to help you out. We do have a great protocol. It's about a 90-day protocol that helps to restore your stomach and gut, liver, kidneys. It kind of goes after all of those to try to help restore good bacteria, good healthy gut lining, and help to decrease a lot of these symptoms, or even in some cases helps to eliminate some of these problems that people suffer from. So have a good one.